we out here? It's Connor's car show. We gotta start somewhere. There's too much for me to really engage in any of these vehicles, but I'll cover as much as I can. I got GoPros. We'll launch the drone later if we can make that happen. Celebrity spotting over here. Chalk my truck. He's engaging the crowd. He had a wreck, but he's back. He's got another vehicle.
We would always see it around first when we would drive around.
Got a Corvette over here. Let's grab the year. 94 says. 94 is the year on that one. 1934 on this one, the Dirty Rat. Best is probably just walk the row if I'm gonna get them, because there's so much. It's got 65 on the windshield. This is 66. That's what I thought I saw. I saw him. I saw this one in the background when we were pulling in. We'll get it. I saw this pulling in earlier. I thought it was a Nash Rambler, but those are a little smaller. This is a Fairlane. It's got 65 on the windshield, which is fine.
Thanks, brother.
If I had to guess, I'd say it's a factory 5. Here's under the hood on the Shelby replica. We've got the official race truck from 1993, the 77th Indianapolis 500. This Pontiac looks familiar. That's the same one. Okay, I think I have to stop now. Take a look at this. 1968 is on the windshield. This is a Barracuda.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna stop for all the cars that I think are unique or interesting. And this is definitely qualifies. Under the hood on the 68 Barracuda. There it is. It's the interior on the 68 Barracuda. I think he's made some changes. He's altered the car a little bit.
Where I am in the world, condition of the sale is
And a 1973 Charger.
Oh yeah.
Spent some time here. The 73 Charger from the back. Here's the trunk on the 73 Charger. Looks like he's got the original equipment in here. The interior on the 73 Charger. There's a gauge cluster there under the dash. I don't know what that's about. They came like that. It's too bright, but I'm trying to get the back. There's the back seat a little better. So under the hood on the 73 Challenger, I'm gonna say that it is not a matching numbers car. I'm gonna venture not matching numbers, not anymore. Interesting element. This got a lot of room in the front between the grille and the radiators. A lot of room. We have the Z06. He was telling me it's about 600 plus to the wheels. Said it's a fun street car. 4G auto wheels. Nice. We have a Challenger over here. Let me get it. Okay, I'm just kidding. I stopped for the Buick. I like the Challengers. the Grand National. Here's the 87 Grand National from the back. The windows are kind of up, so I can't really get inside.
There you got it.
One last shot under the hood of the 87. I'm glad I connected the microphone. It sure is windy today. I mean, I'm in between the buildings, so. This is a 2002. The Trans Am. WS6 is on the back here. Well, let's get it. Windows down, let's get in there. Interior on the 2002. Under the hood on the 2002. Hopefully you can see it. These cars were at Old South Pancake House. I recognized them. And this one too. Old South Pancake House. The 71. We like this 71. We've seen it at some other shows, but it's good. It's a good 71. Keeps coming out. We have a 68 Nova. He has a 454 in here. He said originally came with a 308. He's changed it out. We're about to the end of the row. It's only taken us an hour to get this far, but it says this is a 1965. I'm sure some of you already know what we're looking at. There's the paddles and life vests, and I think I just spotted something. Of course, I'm in the VIP area. There's probably a lot to spot here. Let's get the interior. The interior on this, and of course, the pimp move is to have the paddles with. Let's read it. It says Amphibious 770. Is Amphibious 770 is on the windshield. The lighting's good on this. This is a 71. I think it's clean. 71 Carmen Ghia. WorldwideVenturesAutos.com is on the windshield. Beautiful. Really good. I don't see them. I very rarely see them at shows. And I even more rarely see them in this level of condition. Here's the interior on that Carmen Ghia. Just don't see them. Just do not see the Carmen Ghias coming out.
So hey everyone, it's Jose with Liquid Molly. We're here at the Connors Show. Such a great event, many different type of cars. We just started up the Trans Am, and what a beauty, right? The same guys who built that car built this. This is called a NAS Rod. It's a 500 cubic inch all motor, all wheel drive, 1,000 horsepower. What makes it unique is not only the hot rod style, but it has a lot of JDM influence stuff, such as these work VS wheels. They did a lot of work. Most of this stuff is all in-house, actually. They are a true performance shop. They build, they weld, they build the engines, they dyno tune them. As you can see, the Texas flag in the back, old school look. Very cool car. Jesse Performance in Fort Worth built this car. Come inside, you'll see a lot of the old school look, but a lot of modern technology. Holley EFI inside. If you peek in there, the LCD screen.
Okay, we can see it.
Expensive taste, right? So you can see the Holley EFI. I mean, this car is a true all-wheel drive. Billet transfer case. Unique exhaust. Everything is vibrant. Very modern setup, yet it keeps old school look with a JDM kick to it. So